Hi everyone, Stephen Lee here. Last week, the Senate introduced their $1 trillion infrastructure plan, which has many great programs to rebuild America's infrastructure, including things like roads, public transportation, and other green initiatives. In this video, I'm going to go over how that $1 trillion plan is going to affect SBA small business grant programs. All right, so let's get right into it. That $1 trillion infrastructure plan that the Senate just unveiled last week, how is that going to be funded? That is the big question. What we do know is that part of the funding will come from cutting funds originally allocated to the SBA's COVID-19 small business rescue programs. This includes taking back $13.5 billion, which is originally allocated to the SBA's EIDL, or the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program. Okay, so that's $13.5 billion of this $1 trillion plan may come from the SBA's EIDL program, as well as an additional $17.5 billion from the SBA's Targeted EIDL Advance grant program. Remember, the targeted grant program, there's several of them. There's up to 10,000 and additional 5,000. So part of this $1 trillion infrastructure plan may be coming from the SBA, coming back from the SBA's funding of a little over $30 billion. Okay. Remember, if this is kind of updates and content that you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, as I'll continue to update you with any status updates, as well as news related to SBA programs, tax incentives, and credits that might affect you or your business. So, as we're well aware, the funding of the EIDL program has dramatically slowed down, as many of you are still waiting for not only your EIDL increase requests to be fulfilled, but also the approval of those EIDL increases. As I'm filming this video, it's Tuesday, August 3rd. Our firm has yet to receive any additional approvals for the EIDL request, nor heard of any clients that have received their official approval for those EIDL modifications. Those loans or those increases have yet to be funded. So I'll continue to keep you posted on that. Based on the numbers though, the rate of SBA approvals has been increasing in recent weeks, which is great news. So please stay hopeful, as your EIDL loan modification and funding is coming hopefully very soon. In summary, please note that the new Senate bill, which was just introduced last week, could potentially remove a little over $30 billion worth of SBA funds for much needed programs like the EIDL and the Targeted EIDL Grant programs. So what should you do? If you can, definitely email. If you have not heard back from the SBA, I'll leave an email address at the very bottom in the information section to the SBA to figure out what is the status of your loan modification, as well as possible grant programs. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll keep you posted once again. Until next time, I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye.